Hi everyone, so I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel. This week I want to talk about the VW ID3. So in a recent Facebook post, I saw some images on another EV website, basically, of the new VW ID3 outside one of their factories in Germany. So those that don't know, VW are now going full on into electrification after obviously the Dieselgate and the scandal around that. And the ID3 is the first of, I think, approximately about 20 supposedly electric cars and so forth that they're going to be producing. So what's interesting about this is that I think as of November 2019, so just over a month or so, about 2 months ago, production started to ramp up and roll off the first full production VW ID cars. Now this is what the final version looks like, and as you can see, it's a pretty small, compact EV. It looks like, you know, if it's like the U Golf and the Golf in general, it should do pretty well, as long as people get over the whole, you know, the Dieselgate scandal thing. VW are going all in on this. They're retrofitting their factories and things like that to roll out electric cars. Now, I then reposted these on my Twitter feed, and it's got, I suppose, I would say a mixed response. Not the fact that, you know, that it's not a good car or anything like that, but the pictures, as you can see here, show a number of vehicles outside, some with what looks like I don't know, some sort of plastic cover over the top, some with covers on I want to say the engine bay, but the motor bay, or the front of the trunk. No wheel covers, and a stack of these out in basically outside. Now, this is their first production cars that have rolled off, but what's a little bit worrying is that these apparently, and I don't know how true this is, apparently are on hold until their software for the actual car is fixed or, you know, updated, and that's not looking to be around towards the end of the summer. So if that's the case, what happens to these cars out in the elements essentially for the next 6 months? You know, is it just that these particular shots were taken inappropriate time and they were out there temporarily? We don't know. If they're going to leave them outside, then if I was a pre-order person and I saw these, might get me a little bit worried around state of the battery, or the elements chipping away at some of the paintwork, or whatever it may be. What it does show in the picture, there was several colours there. I think it's black, white, blue, and a grey. Grey seems to be quite substantial, as well as the blue. The colours actually look, apart from the grey, to be honest, I'm not a fan of that, but the blue and the white and the black, they look pretty nice looking cars, and in the flesh it looks pretty good. But those that have pre-orders down, and I would imagine there's some of those, there was a little bit of I suppose, I don't want to say hate from certain people in the Tesla community, but it was like, you know, look what VW are doing, can't even get this right type of approach. I suppose I'm more interested in that, you know, if you have got a pre-order at the moment for one of these, what's your thoughts and opinions on this? You know, does that worry you, that they're out in the middle of nowhere, you know, potentially to the elements, and potentially causing issues with the car on first glance, or actually is this just standard practice? I did see one comment, I think it was on Facebook, that, you know, you go to the docks and things like that and you see this as a standard practice while they're waiting to be collected. I get that, but this was outside a factory in Germany for VW, so that's not like they're going straight on the boat and straight to different countries. You know, if these are going out straight away, but you'd expect some sort of protection on the cars, or in some sort of warehouse or something that you know, helps protect these cars before they go out to be sold. So Anyway, just be good to get your comments and your feedback on this. You know, maybe we can follow up with a future episode or future live stream perhaps around this subject. Let me know in your comments below. As always, thank you for watching. If you did like this, please like, share and subscribe. Check out my Patreon page just to support the channel. There's $1 and $5 contributions if you want to do that. And until next time, thank you very much and bye bye.